So we have our patient. She just finished a full facial rejuvenation procedure probably about 10 minutes ago. We did essentially a upper bluff, deep plane face and neck, fat transfer, neck lift, upper lower lip lift, and a TCA peel, all under local anesthesia. We finished just about 10 minutes ago. And what you're seeing right here is the Cellular Repair. This is the yellow light LED treatment protocol under ELIXIR MD. So this is part of the whole process that we put the post-op surgical patients through. And this is what really helps with decreasing bruising and swelling, kind of speeding up the process of healing, decreasing scarring, all of those things to minimize the overall recuperative time that patients feel so that they can get back up and at them as soon as possible. So this is the first treatment that's been done immediately after surgery. She's going to be coming back here again tomorrow morning, and we'll have another treatment as well tomorrow. So there are successive treatments that are going to be going on every other day for the next couple of days, and we will keep you followed up on all of those treatments.